Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a New Year poster with a retro 3D text effect in Adobe Illustrator. First, create a black background so the effect is easier to see. Now, type 2026. Right-click and choose Create Outlines. Next, go to the Free Transform tool and extrude the text to add depth, duplicate the text. Let's lock the top layer and change the color of the layer below. Create another copy and apply a gradient color. For this effect, we need a total of 4 copies, and the last copy should match the background color. Then go to Object, Blend. We don't blend the first white copy. Go to Object, Blend, Blend Options. Set specified steps to 180 and click OK. You can double-click the blend object to change the colors to anything you want. Next, draw a rectangle, fill it with white, go to Effect, Texture, Grain to add a retro texture. You can adjust the grain settings by opening the Appearance panel from the Window menu. And that's it! Now you have a retro 3D text effect that you can use for banners or posters. Don't forget to like and follow. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching!